You're watching RedChip TV, your source for small cap news.
Hi, Brad Klein coming to you from San Francisco at the RedChip Small Cap and Health Tech Investment Forum. And we're happy to bring you some additional interviews here today. With me now is Mike Jackson. He's the Vice President of Business Development at an exciting company called AlphaTrade. Let me give you that symbol. Symbol on that is APTD. That's traded over the counter. And Mike, welcome to RedChip Small Cap TV.
Thanks, Brad.
AlphaTrade, exciting company. Tell us what you do.
AlphaTrade has been running for about 10 years now. Just had our 10th anniversary in January. So our core business is really market data, real-time stock quotes, delayed data for financial content for websites, and then we do have web traffic, substantial web traffic, so people can advertise through our various websites.
So you got different kind of a three-pronged business model.
Yes.
There. Who are the customers that you're going after?
Customers that we're after are, you know, it's a wide range, different types of companies. Public companies obviously require stock exchange data on their sites. They require news. They're required to put filings up, information for investors. So for the delayed content, that's definitely, you know, our target market. For real-time stock exchange data, everybody from retail investors, brokerage firms, we have online trading platforms that have integrated our products into their websites, and so just really a lot of different players in the financial space.
Sure, from retail all the way up to the sell side guys.
Absolutely.
Too, as well. What would you say kind of sets your company apart from others in the space?
One is length of time in business. You know, we're dominated by big players. So, you know, we've been around for 10 years, and you know, we're a smaller company, but we've been a surviving company. The ease of use of our products. It's a browser-based system, so it's really the on-demand software as a service model. There's no download required. So if you're traveling, we have a mobile application. So, you know, it's really on-the-fly information. Whereas other products maybe different but require download. So if you're traveling, you're on the move, you can't access the data. With ours, it's available at any terminal. You can get the information that you require. Right.
It's very mobile. We use it as well. We're very happy with that. And what's the size of this market you're in?
The size of the market is really, you know, what we've seen is a huge increase in our sales, especially on the real-time software side, because people now want to take investing into their own hands. I think. They've had problems with their brokerage firms or whatever's happened, or their perception of what's happened. They want to know more about where they're putting their money. So we've seen a huge increase in retail investors that have come to us to get that direct level 2 information, real-time news from companies, and obviously the public company space, the SEC. You know, is starting to mandate that you put information on your site for investors. It's not an option anymore.
Right.
So by using our eTrax financial product, when you put news onto a news wire, it's automatically updated on your site. Right. You don't have to worry about having somebody else do that for you. So, you know, the size of the market is really as big as the investment market is.
And I know, again, the market, given the economic times that we're in, there's some very expensive platforms out there that you're eating into their market share, aren't you?
Absolutely. We've got a lot of inquiries and sales through brokerage firms and trading platforms that just can't afford to pay or aren't willing to pay the big dollars for the big ticket data providers. Our solution is comprehensive, so they're finding that it actually, you know, it meets their needs for really a fraction of the cost. Right,
you got a good price advantage going in. I'm talking with Mike Jackson. He's the Vice President of Business Development of AlphaTrade. Let me give you that symbol. It's APTD. That's traded over the counter. And Mike, tell us a little bit about the team there at AlphaTrade.
AlphaTrade is we're based in Vancouver, Canada, and have been really from the beginning. We've got an entire in-house team of programmers, developers. So all the products that you see are our own. Unlike a lot of other companies that are reselling data or really just skinning another product, right. We're a real data provider. So we've got that core expertise that's required to basically run a business like this. Penny Perfect's the CEO and founder, and really one of the big investors with AlphaTrade. Gordon Muir is the CTO, and they've been there. They founded and been there since the beginning. So they've really carried the company this far.
And tell us about some of the milestones or projects that the company's achieved.
Milestones have been, I mean, AlphaTrade's evolved. It really started as a real-time product for the retail investor. And that evolved into a more sophisticated product that you could integrate with online trading platforms. So we've had a series, we brought in a series of different companies and gone to the next level with the technology at each step. What you're seeing, and then out next came the delayed information. We didn't start out with that product, so about 5 years ago we came out with the eTrax financial content solution, which is really taking off now as well because of the demand from kind of the blogosphere and people like that need to relay financial information. And then obviously in January was our 10th anniversary, which, for a company like ours in the space that we're in is quite an achievement to actually just make it this far.
Sure. Again, Mike Jackson, VP of Business Development. We're coming to you from the RedChip Small Cap Investment and Health Tech Investment Forum here in San Francisco at La Meridian Hotel. The symbol for AlphaTrade on that is APTD. And Mike, let's bring this into a conclusion here. Tell us about what does the future hold for AlphaTrade, and why should investors consider looking at the stock right now?
AlphaTrade, I mean, it's at a premium right now. We're at lows that we've never seen over the course of the entire 10 years. We've taken, obviously a beating like a lot of people in the marketplace. So I think that it's a deal. If you look at our earnings per share, you look at really what we've done and the consistency of our revenues. I mean, we're a real company, a genuine company. People are welcome to come and see us, or there's no kind of smoking mirrors around our products and our services. So I think that it's just something that everybody needs. If you're in this business, you need this product. We're kind of a commodity, and we're a low-priced alternative. So I think we've seen an upswing in sales, and I think that will continue.
I think so too, given your price advantage and the way you can go capture market share. It's a good situation. So again, AlphaTrade, Mike Jackson, VP of Business Development. Symbol for AlphaTrade is APTD, and we're coming to you from San Francisco at the RedChip Small Cap Health Tech Investment Forum. Thank you.
This report is not a recommendation or solicitation to purchase or sell any security, nor does it constitute investment advice. Visit redchip.com for full financial disclosures on RedChip clients.